Hello everyone, good morning. I am Mrs. Arif Inamdar, Associate Professor Veer Vazekar, ASC College Punde. Today in your class SYBSc semester 3rd, today all of you learn chemical kinetics. In this chemical kinetics, first all of you learn effect of temperature of the rate of reaction. So Arrhenius equation, any chemical reaction take place by formation of activated complex or transition state. Reactant molecules come together, and they collide, raise their energy at a higher enthalpy state, and activated complex is formed. For example, H2 and I2 reactions. The hydrogen and iodine molecules come face to face, and bond between HH bond and II bond between weak, and at the same time HI bond are bound to about from. It forms four center transition state. These cannot be isolated due to instability. So it rapidly decomposes into HI molecules. Energy of activation EA. So first all of you learn what is meant by energy of activation. The energy or enthalpy difference between reactants and activated complex is called energy of activation. So EA of the reaction. The molecules which have minimum level up to activation energy are called activated molecules, and only they are converted into product. So in diagram, this is reactants, HH bond, II bond molecules. They combine to each other, slow reaction is formed, and transition state. So HH bond, II bond. So fast reaction, HH HI product is formed. As shown is enthalpy diagram, enthalpy. So as shown in figure, threshold energy of the reaction all of you learn. So enthalpy of the reactant at the beginning, this is reactants. Their reaction going towards activated state by means in upper positions, that upper position transition state activated molecules, and lower position enthalpy of the products. So as shown in figure, at top transition state, at bottom enthalpy of the product, and above the enthalpy of the products, enthalpy of the reactant. Activated energy is equal to HTS minus H reactant. So threshold energy equal to enthalpy of transition state. Delta H is enthalpy of the reaction, H of product minus H of reactant. According to the Arrhenius theory, as temperature of the reaction is increased, the reactant of the molecules acquire energy and their collision frequency increases. Consequently, more molecules reach the transition state, and from activated complex, the transition of the molecules converted into transition state is given by F is equal to E raised to minus E by RT, where A is energy of activation, T is absolute temperature, and R is gas constant, and hence rate constant. K is directly proportional to the F, where E is energy of activation, T is absolute temperature, R is gas constant, hence rate constant. K is directly proportional to F. So K is equal to A into F. The proportionality constant cancel. So K is equal to A into F. You put the value of F above equation. A is equal to A into E raised to E divided by R2. Equation first is called as Arrhenius equation. Clearly illustrate that increasing temperature, K value increases. If you plotting the graph, this nature of the graph is K is equal to A into E raised to A upon RT. The above one equation transfer into equation is Y is equal to Mx. So taking both side logarithm, log K is equal to log A minus E upon RT. So you plotting the graph, log K divided by 1 upon T. Intercepts the nature of the graph is in the straight line, not passing through origin. They are below, they are having slope is equal to E upon R. So when the graph of log K versus 1 upon T is plotted, its slope gives energy of actuation. When the rate constant K1 and K2 determine and T1 and T2 temperature respectively, it follows log K1 is equal to log A minus E upon RT1. This is equation number 3. So log K2 is equal to log A minus E upon RT2. This is equation number 4. So log K2 upon K1 is equal to E by R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. So rearranging this equation, 2.303 log base 10 K2 upon K1 E upon R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2 bracket. This equation energy of the reaction is obtained by measuring the rate constant K1 and K2 at two different temperature T1 and T2. Thank you.